Well, hello again. Today we're going to switch it up. We're going to be using our slow cooker and we're going to be cooking a Thai coconut curry chicken. It's got a lot of ingredients, as you can see here. In general, it's not that hard to cook. You put it in the slow cooker, it just takes time. Now let's start. We're going to cut our red pepper in half. Then we're going to remove the seeds. And we cut the pepper halves into slices. Put it away and save for later. Next, we peel our yellow onion, and then we cut it in half. And then we cut it into long slices. Next, we're going to take about 1.5 cups of carrots, and we're going to cut them into little slices, about 1/2 inch. Now we're going to take about 3 garlic cloves and mash them. We're going to take some fresh ginger and mince it. Now we're going to take some lemongrass, peel the outer skin, and then slice it into fourths. Now that we've finished prepping our ingredients, it's time to add it to our slow cooker. Add 2 cans of coconut milk. Now pour in 1/2 cup of low sodium chicken broth. Add 3 tablespoons of red curry paste. Add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. Add 1/2 teaspoon of ground coriander. Add a little salt to taste. Then throw in our minced garlic and ginger. Add 3 large skinless and boneless chicken breasts. Last but not least, add our chopped carrots and chopped onions, as well as our lemongrass. Now that all our ingredients are inside the slow cooker, we're going to go ahead and cover it, set it to low, and let it cook for about 5 hours. Now there's still 45 minutes left on this, but that's why we're here. We're going to go ahead and add our red peppers that we cut up earlier, and we're going to add some bamboo shoots to it to let it cook in the final stages. Be sure to stir up the mixture before you put it back to cook again. Okay, so now let's leave it in there for another 45 minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll finish what we need to do. Now it's time to go ahead and put the finishing touches on our meal. What we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take the chicken out of there and shred it in this bowl. Now we add 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Mix everything together and then add it back into the slow cooker. Now that we've got that inside there, what we want to do next is mix it all up. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and serve it on top of a bed of some jasmine rice. We're going to garnish it, a little lime here. We also want to add a little bit of garnishment of some fresh cilantro on here. With the peanuts, you crush them. It's just a garnishment on top. I personally use one of these and I crushed the peanuts. And then I save some of them in a little jar so that I can use them. So now our Thai coconut curry chicken is ready. But I like to have a drink with my meal.
Just a drink.
Today we're going to be making a bourbon lemonade. So we're going to need 1.3 ounces of bourbon. Then about 4 ounces of lemonade. Lastly, we're going to cut a wedge of lemon to garnish our drink. Now it's time for dinner. Well, dinner's served. I'm going to need some time by myself so I can enjoy this meal. See you guys next time. Cheers.